Tiny but Mighty, The Adventures of Rico and Tilly. In the heart of a magical forest, two tiny red ants, Rico and Tilly, lay on a leaf staring up at the sky. While the world above seemed huge, Rico believed they could do big things, even if they were small. "One day," Rico said, "we'll build the biggest leaf bridge the forest has ever seen." The next day they ventured to the Whispering Willow, where the wind told stories of old. Tilly worried about the dangers, but Rico encouraged her. "Together, we can face anything," he said. They found the perfect vines for their bridge as they started building the bridge. A sudden storm flooded the river bend. Their hard work was washed away. Tilly wanted to give up, but Rico cheered her on. "Even the tallest trees start as seeds, we try again." Rico and Tilly asked other forest creatures for help: beetles, butterflies, even a sleepy toad. Together they built the leaf bridge stronger and longer than before. Ants danced in celebration as the bridge glowed in the sunset. Back at their nest, the elder ants cheered. "You did what no ant ever dared," said the queen. Rico and Tilly smiled at each other. They knew this was just the beginning. From that day on, they were known as the heroes of the hollow,